Hello. The drive belt on my Craftsman T2200 riding mower broke. I replaced the belt and now barely have enough power to move the mower either forward or in reverse. It is the correct replacement belt and is threaded correctly. Uphill is impossible. All I get is a whining sound. The belt seems a bit loose to me, though I never saw the tension on the original to compare. Any suggestions would be appreciated. Thanks, Scott.
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Craftsman T2200, nearly 2 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Everything else on the mower is tip-top. I was in reverse, backing uphill when the belt snapped. I rolled it off the mower, replaced it, and now have nearly no power.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. Scott, is your engine running at fuel speed?
Everything is normal. Mower deck operates fine. Mower just doesn't want to move.
Can you get the model numbers from under your mower seat for me? Thanks for the numbers. Image, click here. Take a look at the image in the link above. Did you run your belt correctly around your 3 idler pulleys? Double check to make sure your belt has not slipped off of your transmission pulley or your engine pulley. When your clutch/brake pedal is fully released, your belt should be tight. A slightly loose belt will slip and affect the performance of your transmission.
It's routed correctly and is around both pulleys, but is not right and is slipping. That's the problem, but I can't figure out what created the slack. Not tight, I meant to type. It's not tight. Could the rear end have moved somehow? Now that I know it should be tight when the brake is not depressed, it makes me think it's a more serious problem. There is slack.
What are the part numbers on your belt? The correct part numbers are 532,125,907.
71 to 24,105. Sears may have sent me the wrong belt. Mine says it replaces 130,969.
Sears, click here.
Thanks, Donald. I'll reorder the belt and see where that takes me.
I believe that you have the wrong belt. You are very welcome. I do hope all goes well for you.
Have a good night.
You too. Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.